how to change your Marcus account password step by step. So the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into marcus.com, or you can get into its application. Either way, make sure you're logged into your account. You can tap on login right here. Then from there, you can add in all of the credentials of your account and then simply log into your account, right? So after successfully logging into your account, you can now get into the settings, or you can tap on your profile avatar on your dashboard. Then from there, you can select security settings, tap on change password, then enter your old password, input the new password, and then confirm it. And like that, you'll be able to successfully change your Marcus account password, right? But in here, in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can actually get into the login page of your Marcus by Goldman Sachs, and in here you can tap on the option create or reset password too, right? So after tapping on that one, you'll need to enter your email address, and then from there you can tap on continue, and then you'll actually be getting a link on your email address. Simply follow that link on your inbox, open that link, and then follow all of the on-screen prompt given by it, and then you'll successfully be able to change your password like that too. So there's two ways that you can do it. So you can do it either ways, and like that you'll be able to change your Marcus account password.